US President Donald Trump says military and economic action is forcing Iran to the negotiating table, even if Tehran's public comments frustrate him.
Iran wants to make a deal. What I don't like about Iran is they'll talk to me with such great respect, and then they'll go on television, they'll say, we did not speak to the president. We did not, I just spoke to, we did not speak to the president. So they play games, but let me just tell you, they want to make a deal. And who wouldn't when your military is totally gone? We could do anything we want to them. Who wouldn't?
US is currently operating a blockade of Iranian ports and providing guidance for ships to pass through the Strait of Hormuz. It's reported, but not confirmed, the US ships have come under fire from fast Iranian attack boats, and they've blown those boats out of the water. At a news conference earlier in the day, the US Defense Secretary insisted this was not a ceasefire breach.
American forces won't need to enter Iranian waters or airspace. It's not necessary. We're not looking for a fight. But Iran also cannot be allowed to block innocent countries and their goods from an international waterway.
Oil prices surged to more than 7% on Monday. It jumped after the US got ready to impose a blockade on Iranian shipping after peace talks collapsed over the weekend. The move could restrict Iran's oil exports and aims to put pressure on Tehran. It also leaves a fragile ceasefire in the balance. Brent crude futures were up at $102 a barrel by early European time. Oil has risen more than 40% since the war shut navigation of the Strait of Hormuz. The dollar also rose early Monday, while stocks and bonds fell. Both Asian and European bourses were down slightly. Europe's stock 600 dropped to just under 1% in early trade. Investors will now wait to see if the US begins more strikes on Iran. The Wall Street Journal reported Trump and his advisors were weighing limited strikes. Trump said on Sunday the price of oil and gasoline might stay high into November's midterm elections in the US. One leading analyst said there were growing worries about inflation, and that could get worse the longer the oil shock lasts. It's led markets to prepare for central banks to move towards raising rates. It's a sharp turn from pre-war bets on rate cuts or a prolonged pause.